Hey guys, welcome to Airplane. Getting to the airport is beautiful with all the mountains. Today we are flying from Vail/Eagle County, Colorado to John F. Kennedy International Airport. The plane we're flying on today is an Airbus A319 with the registration of November 9023 November, and it was built and certified in 2014. The terminal is pretty crowded, so let's hop onto the plane and get into the seat tour. There's a decent-sized IFE. Unfortunately, mine was not working. Below that, it's a literature pocket carrying a magazine. Below that is a folding tray table. And a small seat back pocket. The legroom is fine. The armrests are decent sized. Lastly, the windows are pretty good size. Let's push back and get going. Even though, with the high altitude, the A319 took off like a rocket. The climb out was a little bit bumpy, but nothing out of the ordinary. For the service, there was a snack bag. It contains Biscoff cookies, a sanitizing wipe, and a bottle of water. If you want, you can press the flight attendant call button and order something. Do you like Biscoff cookies? Tell me in the comment section below. bathroom contains the standard toilet, a sink with soap, It got dark, so let's just skip to the landing. And now let's get into the flight ratings. Let's get into the ratings. Unlike other US airlines, during COVID, American still updates their in-flight movie selection. Getting to the airport, we drove from Aspen, but the drive was uneventful and beautiful. I give it 5 stars. I'll give the IFE 3 stars because my screen didn't seem to work, but I could still watch it from my phone. But I'm happy they still update their movie selection. I'll give EGE County a 5-star because all the lines were short and efficient. I'll give the in-flight service a 4 stars because the snack bag was average. I'll give JFK Terminal 8 5 stars because it was pretty much empty and you could get to any place quickly if you needed it. Lastly, I'll give the flight overall 5 stars because it was fun to fly again. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.